We live on a planet that feels solid, a world where the ground beneath our feet seems unchanging and dependable. Every day, we walk city streets, build our homes, and plant our dreams on this surface, rarely questioning what lies below. Yet, the reality is far more complex and mysterious than it appears. Beneath us, Earth is alive with change, constantly shifting and evolving in ways we can barely imagine. The surface may seem calm, but deep below, forces are always at work, shaping the world in silence. Our civilization is built on the assumption that the ground is stable, that the Earth will hold steady as we reach for the sky. Skyscrapers rise, bridges span rivers, and entire cities pulse with life, all relying on the illusion of permanence. Yet deep below, a dynamic story unfolds, a story of heat, pressure, and movement. The ground is not just a passive foundation, but the outermost layer of a restless planet. Thanks to seismic waves and magnetic fields, science is revealing a restless inner world. These invisible signals travel through the planet, carrying secrets from the depths to the surface, allowing us to peer into places we could never reach. The Earth isn't just a ball of rock, it's layered with a fiery heart of iron. From the brittle crust to the churning mantle and the blazing core, each layer plays a role in the planet's ongoing drama. At the center, a solid inner core spins within a swirling liquid outer core, generating the magnetic field that shields life. This invisible shield protects us from harmful solar radiation, making life on Earth possible. For years, we thought this system was stable, changing only over eons. Ancient rocks and shifting continents told a story of slow, gradual transformation, measured in millions of years. But new discoveries show the core is shifting right now, in our lifetimes. The heart of our planet is not fixed. It pulses, moves, and even changes direction, sometimes faster than we ever imagined. Scientists use earthquake waves as a stethoscope, listening to the planet's whispers. Each tremor, each vibration is a clue to the mysteries hidden deep within. They've found the heart of our planet is slowing its spin and possibly changing shape. This revelation challenges our understanding of how Earth works and what the future might hold. These are fundamental shifts, raising new questions about our world's stability. What does it mean for our magnetic field, for navigation, for the very fabric of life that depends on Earth's protection? The ground beneath us is the thin crust of a living system, not just dirt and rock. It is the fragile skin of a planet in motion, a reminder that change is always happening, even when we cannot see it. This journey into the Earth's core reminds us of our place in a powerful, ever-changing world. As we look up at the sky or down at our feet, we are part of a story that began billions of years ago and continues to unfold beneath us, every moment of every day. For decades, scientists believed Earth's inner core spun faster than the planet itself. This idea was widely accepted and formed the basis of many theories about the Earth's internal dynamics. Researchers thought that the inner core, composed mainly of iron and nickel, had a superrotation, meaning it completed one extra rotation every few hundred years compared to the surface. But seismic data from the past 2 decades has upended this view. Advanced seismological techniques and more precise instruments have allowed scientists to gather data that challenges the previous understanding. These new findings have sparked debates and further investigations into the behavior of the inner core. Around 2009, the inner core's rotation slowed, now spinning slightly slower than the surface. This unexpected change has led scientists to reconsider the forces at play within the Earth. The slowing of the inner core's rotation suggests that there are complex interactions between the core and the mantle that we are only beginning to understand. This was discovered by comparing seismic waves from doublet earthquakes, identical quakes years apart. By analyzing the minute differences in the seismic waves' travel times, scientists were able to detect the subtle changes in the inner core's rotation. This method has proven to be a powerful tool in studying the Earth's interior. Subtle changes in wave travel times revealed the core's shifting speed. These changes are so small that they require highly sensitive equipment and sophisticated analysis techniques to detect. The findings have provided new insights into the dynamic processes occurring deep within our planet. Even more surprising, new data suggests the inner core may also be changing shape. This deformation could be due to variations in temperature and pressure, as well as the movement of molten iron in the outer core. Understanding these changes is crucial for building accurate models of the Earth's interior. Forces like mantle gravity and swirling outer core currents could be responsible. These forces create complex interactions that influence the behavior of the inner core. The study of these interactions is an ongoing area of research, with scientists using both observational data and computer simulations to unravel the mysteries of the Earth's interior. These deep changes have real, if tiny, effects, like altering the length of our day. Although the changes are minuscule, they accumulate over time and can have significant implications for our understanding of the Earth's rotation and timekeeping. While the moon's pull is the main reason days lengthen, core movements cause small, puzzling fluctuations. These fluctuations are a reminder of the complex and interconnected nature of the Earth's systems. The interplay between the core, mantle, and other layers of the Earth is a fascinating area of study. Recent research links these day-length blips directly to the core's behavior. By studying these links, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of the processes that govern the Earth's rotation and how they might change in the future. The engine that powers our magnetic field is also subtly changing our measurement of time. The Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in the outer core, and changes in this movement can affect the magnetic field and consequently our timekeeping. This highlights how deeply connected Earth's systems are, from core to surface. The study of these connections is essential for understanding the Earth's past, present, and future. It also underscores the importance of interdisciplinary research in uncovering the secrets of our planet. We're only beginning to grasp the complexity beneath our feet. As technology advances and our methods improve, we will continue to uncover new and exciting information about the Earth's interior. The journey of discovery is ongoing, and each new finding brings us closer to understanding the intricate workings of our planet. The core's changes aren't just scientific trivia, they affect our magnetic field, Earth's invisible shield. This field, generated by the churning liquid outer core, protects us from solar radiation. When the inner core slows or changes shape, it could disrupt the currents powering this shield. While no immediate catastrophe is expected, detecting such changes is sobering. History shows the magnetic field has weakened, strengthened, and even flipped many times. Today, the field is weakening and the magnetic North Pole is drifting rapidly. These findings push us to rethink the stability of the systems that make Earth habitable. As science uncovers Earth's hidden changes, many find echoes in ancient scriptures. The Quran describes the end times as a period of dramatic planetary upheaval. Surah Al-Zalzala speaks of the Earth shaking and discharging its burdens, imagery that resonates with modern geology. Hadith traditions predict frequent earthquakes as a sign of the final hour. For many believers, today's seismic events feel like a fulfillment of prophecy. These parallels invite reflection, offering a spiritual lens on Earth's physical changes. The phrase, "and the Earth discharges its burdens," is rich with meaning. Traditionally, it refers to resurrection, but some see a literal link to volcanic eruptions and seismic upheaval. When volcanoes erupt, the Earth releases its inner pressures, its burdens. Such events are seen by some as divine reminders of our fragility and accountability. They prompt reflection, repentance, and a reconsideration of humanity's path. Science explains the mechanics, but faith asks, is there a purpose behind the timing? For believers, these changes are woven into a larger narrative of signs and warnings. They urge a moral and spiritual response, not just scientific curiosity. Earthquakes and volcanoes are the most dramatic ways Earth's inner changes reach us, shaking the very ground beneath our feet and reminding us of the planet's restless energy. These events are not just natural disasters, they are powerful expressions of the forces that have shaped our world for millions of years. Earthquakes result from sudden slips along tectonic plates, releasing massive energy in an instant. The ground can rupture, cities can tremble, and landscapes can be forever altered. This energy, stored deep within the Earth, is unleashed without warning, making earthquakes one of the most unpredictable and destructive natural phenomena. Events like the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami and the devastating 2011 Japan earthquake and tsunami showed just how far-reaching these forces can be. In moments, entire communities can be changed, and the effects can ripple across continents, impacting millions of lives. Volcanic eruptions, from gentle flows of glowing lava to explosive blasts that send ash high into the sky, reveal the planet's inner heat and dynamic nature. These eruptions can create new land, fertilize soil, and even influence global climate, but they can also bring destruction to anything in their path. All of these processes are linked to the immense energy generated in the Earth's core and mantle. While not every earthquake or eruption is directly caused by recent changes in the core, the movement of heat and material from deep within the planet drives the cycles of creation and destruction we see on the surface. As our cities grow larger and more complex, our modern world is more vulnerable than ever to these unstoppable forces. Skyscrapers, bridges, and entire communities can be at risk, and the need for preparedness has never been greater. Scientific reports about the core's shifting behavior add urgency to our efforts. Researchers and engineers work tirelessly to monitor seismic activity, analyze geological data, and develop new technologies to help us predict and withstand these events. Understanding these threats helps us build resilience. From earthquake-resistant buildings to community preparedness drills, every step we take increases our ability to survive and recover from nature's most powerful events. Nature's power is a constant reminder of our need for vigilance and respect. By learning from the past and preparing for the future, we can coexist with the raw forces that shape our world, honoring both their beauty and their danger. Humanity seeks understanding through both science and faith. Science asks how does the core spin? How do quakes reveal Earth's structure? Faith asks why. Why do these events happen? Is there a deeper purpose? Recent discoveries about the core's changes are a meeting point for both perspectives. Science provides data and explanation. Faith offers meaning and context. Many hold both views, seeing natural events as both physical processes and spiritual signs. The key is recognizing that science and faith answer different questions. Together, they enrich our understanding of reality. Both paths help us navigate a world in flux. What do these discoveries mean for us? They remind us of our vulnerability and the immense forces shaping our world. Scientifically, they highlight the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the need for caution. Spiritually, they're seen as warnings, a call to reflect and change. Both perspectives urge humility and responsibility. The Earth is sending signals, whether seismic data or spiritual signs. Ignoring them would be a mistake. The ground is shifting. How will we respond? At this crossroads of scientific insight and spiritual tradition, we face a choice. The changing core invites not fear, but reflection and action. We must support research, improve hazard monitoring, and build resilient communities. Environmental stewardship is more urgent than ever. Spiritually, we're called to examine our values and return to justice, compassion, and accountability. The dialogue between science and faith deepens our perspective. Earth is both a magnificent machine and a sacred entity. Its changes are both geological processes and potential signs. By embracing both views, we can face the future with wisdom and humility. The story of Earth is still being written by the choices we make each day.